In this video, let me show you how to fix Cash App transfer failed. Welcome back everyone to this new video. Now, in order to fix this issue, you'll need to first of all identify the cause of the failed transfer. This is likely due to the automated security block or due to insufficient funds, or may also be due to the mismatched account data. First of all, make sure that your balance is sufficient, as well as make sure that the details that you entered while transferring the payment is accurate as well. If you check both of these things and this is not the case for you, this could likely be the case of automated security blocks. So what you need to do is just head over to the activity tab, which is the option or the tab on the bottom right, and then just find the transaction that is declined. Once you're inside, you'll need to follow the on-screen prompts that will allow you to confirm your identity. Once the identity has been confirmed, you can try this step again and try to transfer again. And by doing this step, you should be able to fix this issue. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.